Hi and welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the CFRP airy composite. Here you can see this is a CFRP tank or vessel, and this is the water inside that, and we have four steel leg here under the seismic loading or earthquake loading. Let me make this this and the vessel, for instance, this. It is better, and then click on animate. See, along the x direction we have the seismic acceleration or load along x direction. Also we have geostatic stress inside the, and you can see here the sloshing. And now if I request, for instance, the damage, you can see the damage which is happening. This the composite fiber, this is compression, this is tension, this is the compression for matrix, and this is the tension for the matrix. Let me use a limit. For instance, if you use 0. For instance 4, you will have a better view. And now let me click on this to check the damage in the CFRP. See, it is happen at the leg connections. Okay, and now let me remove the limit. And then we can check, for instance, the stress, the maximum happen in the leg. The leg is a pipe. You see here, we use pipe with a thickness for the legs, and also you can check displacement, velocity, acceleration, or anything else, and you can request the acceleration from the history for any point of the model or any elements. Okay, if you need to learn how you can make an airy CFRP composite vessel or tank contains water under the seismic loading and investigate the sloshing phenomena, you can use this tutorial. So if you want to provide this tutorial, you can come to our website here. This is our website, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title. Then you will have the title, then the definition of the part, assembly, and then the key challenges, seismic sloshing model, and some points that you need to consider to model this simulation or analysis, and then the result as figures. So you can provide CAE, INP, and English video file step by step for this model, and our payment methods are all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard. If you want this, contact me to this email to tell you more about the content of the tutorial, the price, the payment method, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.